Have you ever noticed sudden breakouts, a stinging sensation, or that uncomfortable feeling of tightness after washing your face? These are more than just everyday skin annoyances. They can be warning signs that your skin barrier is compromised. Many people experience these symptoms without realizing their skin's natural defenses may be under stress. Understanding these signals is the first step toward restoring a healthier, more resilient complexion. Many people experience the discomfort of skincare products that sting or burn upon application, leaving them hesitant to continue their routines. Others struggle with skin that feels dry and flaky, yet still appears oily and prone to breakouts. Despite trying multiple products and routines, results often remain disappointing. These frustrations are frequently linked to a compromised skin barrier, which can disrupt the skin's natural balance and make it more sensitive and less resilient. Understanding this connection is key to addressing persistent skin concerns effectively. The skin barrier acts as the body's first line of defense, shielding us from harmful bacteria, environmental irritants, and excessive moisture loss. This protective layer is made up of tightly packed skin cells and lipids, forming a resilient shield that keeps unwanted substances out while retaining essential hydration. When the skin barrier is intact, it helps maintain smooth, healthy, and resilient skin. However, if this barrier becomes damaged, it can no longer effectively block irritants or prevent water from escaping. As a result, the skin becomes more sensitive, prone to redness, dryness, and increased vulnerability to infections. Many people unintentionally worsen their skin barrier by making common skincare mistakes. Overwashing the face, especially with harsh cleansers, can strip away natural oils and disrupt the skin's protective layer. Mixing multiple acids or exfoliants at once increases irritation and sensitivity, making the barrier more vulnerable. Overusing strong active ingredients like retinoids or high-concentration vitamin C can also lead to redness, dryness, and peeling. Being mindful of these habits is essential for maintaining a healthy, resilient skin barrier. To repair your skin barrier, start by switching to a gentle cleanser that won't strip away natural oils. Apply a moisturizer rich in ceramides to help restore and strengthen the skin's protective layer. Make sure to use sunscreen daily to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Finally, give your skin a break from harsh treatments or exfoliants for at least a week, allowing it time to heal and recover. Most people begin to notice calmer and clearer skin within just 1 week of following these recommendations. Improvements are often visible quickly, providing encouragement to continue with the routine. While individual results may vary, early positive changes are a common experience. This progress can help boost confidence and motivation as you move forward. If you found these skincare tips helpful, consider saving this video so you can refer back to it anytime. For more expert advice and the latest in skincare, make sure to follow for future updates. If you're interested in a personalized repair routine tailored to your needs, feel free to leave a comment below.